Hey, welcome back. Steve AZ711 here. Well, I'm going to change the cabin air filter in that, but before I do that, I want to see if it makes a difference in the amount of airflow coming out of here. I closed off all the other vents and I just have this one open. But what I want to do is compare the airflow now and then the airflow after I put the cabin filter in. What I have is an anemometer. And I've got it set for top blower, circulating inside the cabin, and one vent. And right now this anemometer is going to measure the wind speed with the filter that is in it now. Okay, if I put it right on the vent, let's just string, well, you can see it. I'm going to say 15.1 miles per hour. Now we'll change the cabin air filter. I think I might want to remove everything out of the glove box first. There's a latch on each side of the glove box, and you can take a screwdriver or your finger and push it back. That one's loose. Go over to the other side, push it back, and that's loose. Glove box drops down. Inside there, your blower motor, and right up here is the cabin air filter housing. There's three little tabs on top that need to be pulled toward you, unsnapped, and then this flap goes down to reveal your cabin air filter. Just pull it out. It's in there pretty tight. There's the new one, upside the old one. Now when you install this new filter, it shows you how the airflow goes down. Airflow down. Start your new filter in. Slide it in as you go. Okay, once the filter is in, just put your flap back up, and snaps make a pretty good sound when they connect. There's one, two, and cabin filters in. These tabs look like they're designed to, they will automatically push these arms back, so you can just go ahead and close the glove box up like that and close your glove box. Now we'll check and see if the filter made any difference in the airflow. Turn this to high. Get it right in the flow there. Wow. That made a big difference. Sounds like I got a little blower motor noise. Well, there you have it, folks. The anemometer just died. There's the highest recording. So it went from 15.1 to 18.9. That's a very good increase. So if you're not getting enough flow out of your vent, maybe you need to change the filter. So this is Steve AZ711 saying thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And until the next video, bye for now.